Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set compass appearance on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here go to the settings icon under the vehicle. Here you can find the route and navigation option, and here go to the third section, the navigation, and click to the third option, the compass appearance. Here you can find three options, the world, US or follow system preference, and just select one, for example US, and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.